Okay, for this first step, we're gonna do some painting, and we're gonna use this bubble wrap to print some nice, cool, bubbly texture onto one of our rectangles to make it look like water. So first, we're just gonna be working with the blue, so you can get the orange out of the way, and you just need one tray and one of these rectangles and one piece of bubble wrap. What you'll do is just dump a little bit of the blue. And also I am working on this tray that I have that I like to do some of my painting projects on. You can see it's gotten kind of messy. It's nice to have so I don't get my table messy. You might want to put down some newspaper or something that can get dirty. Okay, and the first thing you're going to do is just put some blue down on your tray. And then you just smush it around with this cotton ball. Okay, spread it all out. Set that aside. Now you'll take your bubble wrap and just press it into the paint. Right. So you can see there we've got lots of paint on there. Now we'll just take that and go over to our rectangle. You can do it either direction and print some of that paint onto our paper. Okay, lift up. I've got a few dots there. Let's go up here. Okay, we're gonna go back and forth, do this a few times until most of your rectangle is filled up with water, with blue. Now, I've also given you some white paint. If you want to mix in some white to get you some lighter colors of blue, you are welcome to do that. That might make it look really cool. In fact, I think I'm going to do that. There we go. Got some light blue going. Can you see why I wanted my tray underneath my paper here? My paint is definitely going off the edge, so I would really recommend putting something under there. Either just some scrap paper, newspaper is really good for that, a plastic bag, anything that can keep your table from getting super, super messy. I really love this look of more than one blue color. All right, continue doing that until your whole rectangle is filled up with blue. Mine's almost done. I'm just gonna get a little bit more on some of these white spots. Now we'll just repeat the same thing for the orange. So you need that orange paint. If you want to mix in a little white, grab another cotton ball and your other foam tray so it doesn't have a bunch of blue on it, your other rectangle, and your other piece of bubble wrap.